The dealers can build the market fast and achieve the success soon. Hello, I'm Sophie from Lingchen Dental. There are so many suppliers of dental chair in China. The price range from $700 to $3,000. How the dealers choose a dental chair which can put in the market for selling? It is essential to consider a few key factors. First and furthermore, the quality, functionality, design and price of the dental chair are critical. Behind that, a cooperative and honest supplier will be the core. But how we know the quality is good or not? The certification serves as the first filter. Look for the CE ISO certification as they are signify adherence to the international standards. Beyond this, the specifics such as the motor, control system, metal frame, tubes, valves are the key. And meanwhile, the experience and the responsible workforce play a vital role in ensuring quality. At Lingchen, our dental chair bearing the CE ISO from TUV Germany. All the spare parts which we are using from A quality. For example, the motor we are using from the leading supplier in China and the handpiece tube. The raw material from US, and it can be lasting using at least more than 5 years. For Lingchen dental chair, we will give 2 years real warranty. Now we come to the second point, functional. For the basic function on dental chair, each factory they do the same. But from the dentist's daily working request, Lingchen developing 2 unique functions. The first one, suction working by electric instead of by air, 2 liter water per minute. If the suction work by air, 0.6 liter water per minute. Electric suction much powerful and smoothly working, no painful for patient. And meanwhile, compressor can supply enough air to three-way syringe and handpiece using. Dentists will not suffering from the air shortage. Lingchen developed the vacuum cleaning tube system. Just turn on it for 5 minutes before leaving the clinic. The debris will be out from the drainage tube. Keep the tube clean and dry. Now we talk about the design of the dental chair. A strong and flexible dental chair creates a positive impression, especially for the young generation dentists. Our chairs feature a long cushion, 2 meters, and enlarged metal frame to cover different patient sizes. Newly designed operation tray with injection mold, fashioned with multifunctional. Furthermore, our updated water bottle design allows for easy water refills, and the LCD positioning is optimized to avoid conflict with the lamp movement. Even the lamp holder is longer. Finally, we share one pricing formula from our definition. Price, it is purchasing price plus the shipping fee plus maintenance fee. It is the total cost which the dealer have to pay. With the support from one good supplier, the dealers can build the market fast and achieve the success soon. Nice to share with you. See you next time.